Yay! Malapit na akong umuwi. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Nag-sweater na kasi ako guys, malamig kasi. Luntok na ako guys. Ayan. Last 2 minutes na lang po. 2 minutes to go. Thank you so much. Kasi naihina ako para may baterya yung aking cellphone. Para may battery siya. Ayan o. Uy, mawala ng battery. Diyos ko Lord. Wala tayong battery. Thank you po sa lahat. Sa aking mga viewers. To all my friends. To all my subscribers. Ayan. To all the beautiful, amazing people around the world. Thank you for the love and support. Sweet Mal is ano, Sweet Mel is very, very, very happy to support you. To support me pala. For the love and support. Ayan. Salamat po sa inyong tanan. Sa aking mga friends all over the world. To all my loving subscribers. To all people. To all YouTubers. To all viewers. Thank you so much. Ayan. Thank you po sa lahat, sa mga nanonood ng aking video. Ayan, ay, excited lang po ako guys. Nag-live po tayo saglit para sa aking watch hour. Kasi wala tayong watch hour. Down arrow, dami na mag-travel talaga. Uwi na sila, excited silang umuwi guys. Saan man silang dako uwi. Maraming pauwi guys, palabas ng Hong Kong, parating ng Hong Kong. Ayan. Pauwi na sila. Alam, malamig na guys, malamig. Nanunood sa katawan ko yung lamig guys. Aircon kasi dito guys, may aircon. Arrivals, departure, ayan. Toilet sa taas. Doon toilet guys. Punta ako magto-toilet mamaya. Ayan. Ayan guys. Thank you so much. Sweet Mal is signing off now. Bye bye po sa inyong lahat. Salamat po sa suporta niyo. Ayan. Para mayroon akong tawag nito. Meron tayong battery. Save the battery because baka pag nandun ako sa Manila, sa Pilipinas, because connecting flight ako guys, connecting flight to Manila, Hong Kong to Manila, Manila to Kawayan City by province. Kaya kailangan ko mag-save ng battery and kailangan ko na mag-sign out. Ayan, sign out. Sweet Mal is signing out. I love you all guys. God bless. Good evening and happy weekend. Ayan. Enjoy life guys and God bless po sa lahat. And always be happy, stay healthy, and always stay safe to everyone. Ayan. Bye guys. Alam nyo guys, nasasabi ko lang guys, importante sa ating life is ating health. Health is very important. Kaya mag-iingat po kayo lagi sa aking mga kaibigan dyan. To all my friends, stay safe all guys. To all people around the world, stay safe everyone. And always pray sa ating Panginoon guys para tayo ay bigyan niya tayo ng mahabang buhay and blessings to all. Ayan. Para bigyan na tayo ni Lord ng maraming blessings. Always don't forget to pray. Ayan. And stay healthy. Okay? Bye bye guys. I love you all guys. Bye. God bless po. Sweet Mal is bye bye you. Bye bye na. Bye bye na. 1, 2, 3. Bye bye. Oh, ayan. Oh,